In this video, we're exploring SwiftUI, Apple's modern declarative user interface framework, and how it works together with Combine, SwiftData, CloudKit, and Apple's core platform services to build powerful, intelligent, and scalable applications. To understand why SwiftUI matters, it's important to compare it with the traditional UIKit development model. For many years, UIKit relied on an imperative programming style. Developers had to describe every step required to build and update the interface, creating views, positioning elements with constraints, responding to user interactions, and manually refreshing the interface whenever data changed were all responsibilities of the developer. If one piece of data changed, you often had to write additional code to tell the interface exactly which components should update. As applications became larger, this approach introduced significant complexity, increased maintenance costs, and created opportunities for bugs. SwiftUI takes a completely different approach. Instead of describing how to build every interface element step by step, SwiftUI lets you declare what the interface should look like for any given state of your application's data. The framework automatically determines how to update the screen whenever that state changes. Rather than constantly managing views yourself, you simply define the relationship between your data and your interface. When the data changes, the UI changes automatically. This state-driven architecture dramatically simplifies development while making applications easier to understand, maintain, and expand. Prompt equals no image form other source. Generate thumbnail for T without people. That brings us to Combine. Combine is Apple's reactive programming framework designed to manage asynchronous events and continuous streams of data. Instead of waiting for developers to manually respond to every event, Combine creates data pipelines that automatically deliver updates whenever information changes. The two main concepts in Combine are publishers and subscribers. A publisher produces values over time. These values may come from network requests, timers, notifications, sensors, user input, databases, or virtually any changing source of information. A subscriber listens for those values and reacts whenever new data becomes available. SwiftUI integrates directly with this system. When a publisher emits new data, SwiftUI automatically refreshes any interface that depends on that information. There's no need to manually reload views or write update functions. The reactive relationship between publishers, subscribers, and SwiftUI keeps the interface synchronized with real-time data continuously. Whether you're displaying stock prices, chat messages, live sports scores, IoT sensor readings, or streaming content, your interface always reflects the latest available information. This reactive architecture becomes even more powerful when combined with persistent local storage. That's where SwiftData enters the picture. SwiftData is Apple's modern data persistence framework and the successor to Core Data. Rather than requiring developers to manage complicated object graphs, configuration files, and extensive setup code, SwiftData uses Swift macros and native language features to dramatically simplify local storage. Developers model their data using ordinary Swift classes with simple annotations. The framework automatically generates much of the underlying persistence infrastructure. This significantly reduces development complexity while improving readability and maintainability. One of SwiftData's most useful features is the @query property wrapper. Instead of manually fetching records from a database and refreshing the interface whenever something changes, @query establishes a live connection between your stored data and your SwiftUI views. Whenever the database updates, SwiftUI automatically receives the latest results. The interface updates immediately without additional synchronization code. This creates a seamless relationship between persistent storage and the user interface. Applications remain responsive while developers write considerably less code. Because SwiftData uses pure Swift models, data structures remain clean, consistent, and easy to understand. These models also integrate naturally with Apple's broader ecosystem, making synchronization and data sharing significantly easier than previous generations of persistence frameworks. Another major advantage of SwiftUI is true cross-platform development. Instead of maintaining separate code bases for iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, Apple Vision Pro, and Apple TV, developers can share most of their interface code across every Apple platform. SwiftUI automatically adapts layouts and controls to match each operating system. When needed, developers can apply platform-specific refinements while preserving the majority of the shared architecture. This dramatically reduces development effort while ensuring a consistent user experience throughout Apple's ecosystem. SwiftUI also integrates deeply with Apple's system services. Widgets allow applications to present glanceable information directly on the home screen and lock screen. Live activities provide continuously updating information directly on the lock screen and dynamic island for supported devices. App intents expose application functionality to Siri, Spotlight, shortcuts, and Apple Intelligence workflows, allowing users to interact with apps throughout the operating system without opening the application itself. This level of integration transforms apps from isolated experiences into connected components of the entire Apple ecosystem. Performance is another key strength. SwiftUI is designed to leverage modern hardware acceleration across Apple's silicon, rendering optimizations, GPU acceleration, efficient diffing algorithms, and intelligent view updates ensure smooth animations and responsive interfaces across iPhones, iPads, Macs, Apple Watches, Apple TVs, and Vision OS devices. As applications become increasingly connected, synchronization becomes essential. CloudKit provides the bridge between local SwiftData storage and cloud-based synchronization. User data can automatically sync across devices while remaining securely stored within each user's iCloud account. CloudKit also enables collaboration features, allowing multiple users to share and edit data while SwiftUI continuously reflects those updates throughout the interface. This combination of SwiftData, CloudKit, Combine, and SwiftUI creates applications that feel both local and globally connected at the same time. Looking ahead, Swift 6 introduces significant improvements in concurrency safety. Modern applications frequently perform multiple operations simultaneously, including downloading data, updating databases, processing images, and responding to user interactions. Swift 6 strengthens compile-time concurrency checking, helping developers avoid race conditions, memory conflicts, and many categories of difficult-to-debug crashes before applications are ever released. These safety improvements produce more reliable software while taking full advantage of today's multi-core processors. Together, SwiftUI, Combine, SwiftData, CloudKit, Swift 6, and Apple System Services represent a unified development ecosystem focused on reactive programming, intelligent synchronization, scalable architecture, and cross-platform experiences. For anyone beginning their Swift development journey, the learning roadmap is clear. Start by mastering Swift fundamentals. Then learn SwiftUI's declarative interface model. Build reactive applications with Combine. Store and manage data using SwiftData. Expand into CloudKit synchronization. Understand Swift concurrency for safe parallel programming. Finally, integrate widgets, live activities, and app intents to create applications that extend naturally throughout Apple's ecosystem. Together, these technologies provide everything needed to build the next generation of intelligent, distributed applications across every Apple platform. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth programming tutorials covering Swift, iOS development, Apple frameworks, and modern software engineering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.